Hello, welcome. My name is Luis, and this is Manatus Hotel. I'm going to show you around. Okay, so this is the reception building. This is the front desk over here. Reception is closed from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. every day. Over here, we have a comfortable place where you could come and sit, read a book, or just we have some books over here where you could take it and see some of the picture of animals that we normally see around here. All right, so after the reception building, we're going to take you to the rooms. We're going to show you the rooms. Okay, this is one of our rooms. I want to show you inside. Okay, in all the rooms are the same, right? We have 12 rooms and all are the same. Okay, with 2 queen beds. We have a mini bar, coffee maker, air conditioning, and a TV. This is the bathroom. On the left we have the toilet. On the right side we have the shower. Okay, so now we want to show you the swimming pool. The swimming pool is open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. And this is the guys' rooms. Okay, so now I want to show you the restaurant of Manatus Hotel. We have the menus here on the table. One of the menu is for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And the others on the left, one is for cocktails and the other one is for wine. We serve red wines and white wines. And now this is the bar of the hotel. Okay, this is where you could get beer, rums, whiskey, wines, but alcoholic drink is not included. This will be added to your bar bill, and then you pay the day you leave. Okay, so this is the boat that we use to do the tours in the canal. Manatus Hotel is the only hotel in the area that give 2 tours. One started at 8:30 a.m. and the second one at 2:30 p.m. So 2 tours is included in the package. So talking about the optional tours we do or we offer here in Manatus Hotel, one of those is kayaking in the Tortuguero National Park. That's a guided tour. That is especially for people who stay an extra day. We also offer night walk. this is a magnificent forest just located behind the hotel where we could take you to do night walk.